crappie. This old dirty warm water, they're right on the bank. Another good one right there. Man, they're biting in here pretty fast and furious. Perfect little spawning bank, 67-degree water. Good one here. There you go. Man, I tell you what, folks, the crappie here at Lake of the Ozarks are biting. I mean, hey, Mike, how's work? Little big crappie. Big old crappie. Oh yeah. Real big one. Biggest one of the, oh yeah. There's the biggest one of the night right there. Look at that sucker. Holy. Oh my Lord. Wow. Ah. There you go. We're catching up. There's a black one. Ooh, these black crappie are real shallow right on the bank. Good one. That's a black crappie right there. It's a big old black. Good eater.